Every year, millions of people dive, swim, and sail across our planet's oceans. Yet few realize how many silent predators are moving just below. Beneath the calm blue surface, there are creatures so venomous, fast, or powerful that a single encounter could end a life within minutes. From transparent killers drifting in shallow waters, to armored beasts crushing shells with one bite, the underwater world is far deadlier than it looks. In this video, we will explore 10 of the most dangerous creatures ever found beneath the water, how they kill, how they survive, and why humans are rarely ready for them. Number 1. Box jellyfish. The box jellyfish is often called the most venomous marine animal on Earth. Found mostly in the waters of Australia and Southeast Asia, this nearly transparent creature looks harmless, but its tentacles, which can grow up to 3 meters long, are covered in thousands of tiny stringing cells called nematocysts. When they fire, they inject venom strong enough to stop a human heart in less than 5 minutes. Many victims do not even make it back to shore. What makes it worse is that swimmers often do not see it until it's too late. Scientists say box jellyfish use their venom to paralyze small fish instantly, allowing them to eat without a struggle. In humans, however, the same toxin causes excruciating pain, breathing failure, and cardiac arrest. Number 2. Blue-ringed octopus. Small, colorful, and mesmerizing, the blue-ringed octopus hides in tidal pools across Australia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. It is no bigger than a golf ball, yet one bite from this animal can kill over 20 adult humans. Its bright blue rings glow as a warning when it feels threatened. Inside its saliva is a neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin, which blocks nerve signals. Victims remain conscious but lose the ability to move, speak, or breathe. There is no known antidote. Despite its reputation, the blue-ringed octopus rarely attacks. It only bites when handled or disturbed, but because of its beauty and small size, divers often try to pick it up. A fatal mistake. Number 3. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile, or salty, is the largest living reptile and one of the most efficient predators in the world. It can grow over 6 meters long and weigh more than a ton. Found across Southeast Asia, northern Australia, and parts of India, this reptile rules both rivers and coastal waters. It does not chase its prey. Instead, it waits. With eyes and nostrils above the surface, it stays completely still until an animal comes close. Then it explodes with terrifying speed, dragging its victim underwater in a death roll that breaks bones and prevents escape. Humans are rarely part of its diet, yet hundreds of attacks are reported every year. Saltwater crocodiles are territorial and aggressive, capable of killing almost any animal that enters their zone, even sharks. Number 4. Cone snail. At first glance, the cone snail looks like a harmless seashell you might pick up from the beach. But inside that shell lives one of the most venomous animals on Earth. Cone snails are found in tropical and subtropical oceans. They hunt using a harpoon-like tooth that shoots out and delivers a fast-acting venom. This venom is a complex mix of hundreds of toxins designed to paralyze prey instantly, usually small fish and worms. For humans, one sting can cause numbness, paralysis, and respiratory failure within hours. There is no known anti-venom, and the only treatment is to keep the victim alive until the body clears the toxins. Interestingly, scientists are studying cone snail venom for medical uses, such as developing painkillers far stronger than morphine. Number 5. Stonefish. The stonefish is a master of disguise. Covered in warty, uneven skin, it perfectly blends into rocks and coral reefs. Divers and swimmers often step on it without noticing, a mistake that can cause agonizing pain and even death. The stonefish carries 13 sharp spines along its back, each loaded with venom strong enough to kill a human in a few hours. Its venom attacks the nervous system, causes muscle paralysis, and leads to extreme swelling. Because it hides so well, stonefish are considered one of the ocean's most dangerous ambush predators. They do not attack unless threatened or stepped on. Number 6. Great white shark. Few names strike more fear than the great white shark. Reaching up to 6 meters in length and weighing over 2 tons, it is one of the ocean's top predators. Found in almost all major oceans, it is known for its incredible speed and precision. The great white detects prey through electric signals and the smell of blood from kilometers away. Its teeth, each about 6 centimeters long, are designed to tear through flesh and bone. Despite its fearsome image, attacks on humans are rare. Most occur when the shark mistakes a surfer or swimmer for a seal. Once it realizes the error, it often retreats. But the damage from even one bite can be catastrophic. Number 7. Lionfish. The lionfish is one of the most beautiful yet harmful creatures in the sea. Its long, striped fins look like flowing feathers, but they hide venomous spines capable of delivering painful stings. Native to the Indo-Pacific, lionfish have now spread to the Atlantic Ocean, where they are considered an invasive species. Their venom is not usually fatal to humans, but it causes intense pain, nausea, and breathing difficulties. What makes them dangerous to ecosystems is their appetite. A single lionfish can wipe out up to 90% of small reef fish in its territory, disturbing entire coral reef systems. Number 8. Portuguese man-o'-war. Although it looks like a jellyfish, the Portuguese man-o'-war is actually a colony of several organisms working together. Its floating balloon-like body drifts on ocean currents, while its tentacles can stretch more than 30 meters below the surface. These tentacles are lined with venomous cells that paralyze small fish instantly. When humans are stung, the pain is severe, and multiple stings can cause fever, shock, or even death. What makes the man-o'-war particularly dangerous is its unpredictability. Even detached tentacles washed up on beaches can still sting for days. Number 9. Electric eel. The electric eel lives in the rivers of South America and can generate electric shocks up to 600 volts. It uses these discharges to hunt, navigate, and defend itself. When threatened, the eel releases rapid electric bursts strong enough to stun or even kill other animals. In humans, repeated shocks can cause heart failure or drowning if the person loses control in the water. Interestingly, electric eels are not true eels, but a type of knife fish. Scientists study their electric organs to develop better medieval devices and batteries. Number 10. Tiger shark. Known as the garbage can of the sea, the tiger shark eats almost anything. Fish, turtles, birds, even license plates and tires found in shipwrecks. Its jaw strength and serrated teeth allow it to crush hard shells and bones easily. Tiger sharks are second only to great whites in recorded attacks on humans. Unlike great whites, they rarely let go after biting. Found in tropical and subtropical waters, they are curious and often swim close to the surface. Their danger lies in their unpredictability. Tiger sharks approach slowly, circle their prey, and strike when least expected. The ocean hides worlds most of us will never see. For every colorful fish or coral reef, there are predators and poisons shaping the balance of life below. The next time you stand on a beach and watch the waves, remember, just beneath that calm surface lies an entire world of power, fear, and beauty. Which of these creatures do you think is the deadliest? And would you ever dare to see one up close?